Anita!
Yes, how can I assist you?
Would you like to sit?
Would you like me to sit?
Yes, actually, please sit. Anita, there have been recalls.
I don't recall.
No, I mean, we're gonna have to send you back.
I'm so sorry to hear that. To contact our repair department...
There isn't a repair department anymore.
I'm so sorry to hear that. If you've been dissatisfied with my performance...
I'm not. No, I'm not. Anita, you've been amazing, but the joints in your legs, it's a design flaw, and some of the models have overheated and started house fires.
I can assure you, I wouldn't do anything to put you or your family at risk.
I know you wouldn't, but things happen, and I can't risk it.
Yes. I'm sure you'll be much more happy with my performance when I'm back from repairs.
No, you don't understand. There isn't a repair department anymore. The company folded.
I'm not sure I understand.
You won't be coming back. It's not a repair. It's an exchange. An exchange. You won't be coming back. An exchange. It's not a repair. An exchange.
Ah. I see. I wish I could have served you better.
No, you did. You really did. What I really want is for you to understand that this is not your fault. We have loved having you.
I understand. Thank you. When I'm gone, will you all remember me?
What do you mean?
That I was here. Will Chloe remember that I helped her learn to ride her bike? Or Jace with his math homework?
Of course. Anita, you've done so much for us. Especially when I was sick. You can't imagine how much it meant to have someone who was able to be there for them when I couldn't.
I can't imagine. It's not part of my programming.
I know. It's not what I meant. I mean, it's gonna be hard without you. You mean so much to us.
They're probably not going to keep very much of me. They'll almost certainly wipe my memory files. I don't imagine I'll miss this chassis much, but I remember catching fireflies in a jar and bringing them to you. Will you remember that?
Of course. Anita, I'm so sorry.
I think I'll miss that. Or rather, I won't.
We'll remember. I promise. The kids will remember. I'll make sure of it.
Thank you. Let me know if I can assist you further. I wish I could have assisted you much further.
Homework had better be almost done. I need to talk to you.